Hello and good morning, guys. This is your host and host Shahzad Darsi, and you have started watching Shahzad Darsi YouTube channel, guys. Today we are going to cover about part 8 of the SEO series, and if you haven't watched my earlier lessons of SEO series that I have started some days back, then you can go and watch my earlier SEO series lessons. Okay, let's move ahead. What we are going to cover today? Today we are going to cover part 8 of the SEO series, and today we are going to cover about setup keyword rank tracking. Why it is important? Because it is very important, guys, because you are doing SEO whether for yourself, for your website, or for your client website. You need to track your performance, where you are standing, and if you are not sure where you are standing in Google ranking, then you will not able to improve your SEO game. So if you want to learn about how you can set up your rank tracking, then stay till the end of this video. I am very much hopeful that you will like this video, and if you like this video, please consider like it. Please consider liking this video, subscribing my YouTube channel, and please do share this video, because we need motivation, because we are putting lots of effort in making this type of video. Okay, let's get straight to the point. In order to set rank tracking for your website, what we need to do, we need to use either Href, Searchbot, or SE ranking. SEMrush will also do. SEMrush will also do. I haven't included SEMrush here, but you can include SEMrush also, guys. Once I complete the whole SEO series, whole SEO checklist, then I will be providing this sheet of more than I guess more than 100 videos. I will be providing a sheet to you in the video description once I complete the SEO series. So let's get to the point. What we are going to cover: rank tracking. So in today's video I am using SE ranking. You can use Href, Searchbot, or SEMrush, whatever you want to. You are free to choose. Okay, but I am using SE ranking for this video. Okay, guys, for that you need to go to SE ranking. It's loading. For that you need to go to SE ranking. Once you type in SE ranking, come on this, open this, and once you open SE ranking on a new tab, check the free trial. They are offering free trial for 14 days. Create your account in SE ranking. It's very straightforward. I am not going to waste any more time in creating an account in SE ranking. Just create your account in SE ranking, verify your Gmail. Once you verify your Gmail, you will land on the dashboard of SE ranking. This is the dashboard of the SE ranking. They offer 14 days free trial. Okay, now I need to add my project. In order to add my project, I can use from here, or I can use this. Okay, I have to enter create project. I have to enter the project name, means my website name, my website URL, guys. I'm using my own website, Shahzad Darsi, for this video. So I will copy this website from here, and I will paste the URL of the website here, and its domain or website I have to enter, or URL. So if you want domain, or if you want URL, leave as it is. You can leave domain also, or you can use URL also. It's totally your choice. URL can be your pages, like shahzad.c/SEO service. Okay, and I'm leaving as it is. Now project name, it's taken by default, and group, it's not taken any group, so I will create first project. Okay, first project. So I will name it first project, for me to remember. Okay, I have created first project. I will name this search range 100 to 200. 200, I guess it's for paid, so I have to choose. I have to be satisfied with the 100 search range. Okay, it will provide me 100 search range, and access to the project only to me, or if I want to add anyone, then I can add it from here. Manager account or client account, I can add it from here. When I want the report, weekly report, website audit, okay, I can choose it from here. I want weekly report, and I want website audit also. Next, I will click next, hit next. Okay, let's see what we have in store for us. Once I hit next, I have to put in some keyword. so that it can track. SEO service is one. Next is review. What let me check, guys, in my website, so that I can explain personal branding and customer avatar. Okay, let me choose that also. Personal branding. Okay, customer avatar, whatever keyword I want to choose, I have to here I have to enter that here. Okay, and yeah, that's pretty much it, because I don't want to get enter mm, so many keywords here. Group funnel review. Okay, that's funnel one. Okay, now I will not enter anyone. Reseller club also I want to, because it's showing here, no, so I can use from here also, and that's it. I don't want to enter more. And where I want to track the ranking, Google, for Google and for India. Okay, so I have choose Google and India. I want to track it in India. If you want to track your ranking in different countries, then you can select that countries from here. Okay, once you are done, hit next. Okay, some keywords have been typed in the next field. Do you want to add to them? Yes, I want to add them. Okay, so next I will enter. Let's see, it's opening. Okay, country is India, search engine is Google, location, see, let's see whether I can enter location. Location I don't want to use. Include Google map results, no. Track Google ads ranking, no. Hit next. Yeah, add search engine. Okay, add manually. They are asking me to let's see whether they can suggest me any competitors. Once if they suggest me, I can use that. Okay, they are suggesting some competitor, guys, so I can take that competitor from here, or um, I can use them manually also if I want. Okay, okay, let's see. Let's some competitors websites have been typed in the text field. Do you want to add them to the? Yes, I want to add them. Okay, add them to the project. Once I done, then I will be taken to the next page, and they are asking me to enter my Google Analytics and Google Search Console. I am not going to enter that right away, but I can definitely enter my Search Console here, so that it gets the what you call best ranking. Let's see whether I can do it without entering my. Yeah, I can do it. So not now. Okay, guys, you can see I have entered my data here. See, first project, I have entered the data in the name of first project. It will rank in top 5, top 10 and top 30. What keyword is ranking in top 5, top 10 and top 30. And here it will track keywords. Okay, 7 keywords up to max they will track, and average position they will check, and indexed website dot it ranked ranking updated on. Okay, guys, uh, that's for it. That's pretty much about this video, guys. And one more thing before ending this video, guys, you can check the pricing of this what you call SE ranking. If you think that, because I have been using this SE ranking, and it's pretty good. It's pretty good, and they are expensive although. So if you can afford it, you can take it, and if you can't afford it, then you can switch to any other SEO tools like Href, Surfboard, SEMrush. You are free to choose anyone. So that's pretty much about this video, guys. If you like my video, please consider sharing it in your community, whomsoever you think this video might help, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for latest and in-depth SEO series. I will be covering each and every aspect of SEO, so you will not be left alone in the SEO endeavor. So this is your host and host Shahzad Arsi signing off for now. Bye. See you in the another exciting video tomorrow. Bye. Take care.